Alright, hello, you're welcome to Chris Graphics Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you something um, fascinating actually. Alright, so it's how to manipulate your background, how you can bring your imagination to life. So I'm going to show you how you can make this image, alright, um, into this particular image. Right, so how do you go about doing that? So I'm going to use this application called Photoroom. All right, before we jump into the video, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it, leave a comment. All right, and if you need the application, I have the pro application already that I've given out. All right, I'm going to link it in the description of this video as well, so that you can get access to this particular application. It's really awesome. I'm going to do a lot of tutorial, some couple of tutorials actually on this particular application. So now, if you have a photo and you want to maybe change the background to something, you just imagine a background and you want to, make that background. Um, you want to live in that imagination. You want to make your picture, take your picture into that imagination. It's very possible here. So I'm going to click. I'm going to click uh, this start from photo. Just click the plus sign. So I'm going to add a particular image. So I'm going to go to my gallery, and then I'm going to go to camera. All right, so the picture I have is in my camera, so I'm going to go to camera. Where's camera? All right, so this one this is one of the pictures I took after returning from the pitch. I went to play football, so I got I got some of these images at home. And since I didn't go with my phone, I wanted to put myself back on the pitch. All right, so this is how I did it. All right, so when you come here, after you have added it, the background has been removed already. Click instant backgrounds. So when you click instant backgrounds, Photoroom is going to actually put it will scan the image and put different backgrounds for you. All right, so for me, that's not really what I want to create my own background. Can you look at some of the backgrounds they have put for me? All right, how can you put me on the rock? You are not serious. All right, you can see some of the backgrounds here. um, you might like some of them. I don't want to sit on the floor. You can see this, some of them. If anyone you like, I just click it, and then you are good to go. All right, so for me, I'm going to click on search background. All right, so I'm going to search backgrounds, and then you can come to create a background. All right, so I'm going to create a background. There are some backgrounds I recently used. I'm going to create a background. You can see the subject there. The subject, I'm going to say football field. Okay, I'm going to say football field. Now with details, sitting on a football field in a stadium with fans and other players around. All right, this is just a template. Is you can, I just describe a little more, little details about what you want. All right, so it's not more that you use it. This particular one I've done. All right, so it just depends on the kind of image you want to use. All right, so now it's processing. So almost there. So let's give it a little time, and then you're going to see the magic it will do. Can you see? Can you see what has happened? So it has put me in a football field. I can generate 4 more. So if I say generate 4 more, it's going to come again. So you can see different types of images. You can see how it has made this particular. I think let's say this thing doesn't look like ball. Let's say I prefer this. I'll just click anyone you like. All right, I'll click it, and so after it has loaded, you can add other things, but that's not the concern today. You can click export and save to gallery. So your picture is going to be saved to your gallery automatically. That's just it, just like that. All right, so I think you can go to your gallery and check, and you're going to see them. If you want to generate more, you can click generate more and all of that. So that's that. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, like, share the video, And then just know that we upload videos every week. All right, so see you next week. Bye.